Hi, I'm Marna's cameraman, Darren, but I'm not the cameraman today. Marna's back behind the camera, and today is, well, Sunday, which we don't normally have videos out for, but more importantly, today is March 14th, which is 314 Pi Day. And as a math lover, a computer nerd, I am always happy to play with numbers, but it's really fun that Pi Day has become such a big thing in the United States or everywhere, and we like to celebrate it with pie. And we hope that you too will get out and enjoy Pi Day. Stop by your local bakery and get a pie, have a slice of pie. We're going to have a little pot pie, some peach pie, and probably a little ice cream.
Pizza pie.
Pizza pie. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. What are you having today on Pi Day? Thanks.
3.1